starting and ending your day with mindfulness. Mindfulness isn't necessarily about meditation or clearing your mind. It's about cultivating awareness and staying in the present moment. So let's walk through a couple of scenarios that are ripe for mindfulness. First one, your way to work. Imagine yourself leaving your home, getting into your car. Instead of rushing, take a deep breath in while you're sitting there at your steering wheel. Exhaling before you start your car. Driving to work. Noticing what is new on your way to work that you hadn't noticed before. What could you become aware of today that you hadn't seen? You get to work. You find your parking space. Parking karma is on your side today. It makes you so happy. You turn your car off. You take a deep breath in at your steering wheel. And you exhale before you open your car door. You look around you. You may see people, you may see other cars, you may see nature. As I walk into work, the one thought that makes such a difference in my mindfulness journey during the day is I'm so lucky, so grateful to have a job. And then I take a deep breath in and release. The second way to keep mindfulness in your day is to make absolutely sure that you get a few minutes, a break in nature, whether it's before you go to work, whether it's taking a walk during lunchtime, or on the way to your car before you go home. Or maybe it's a walk after dinner in your neighborhood. Imagine yourself seeing nature in a way that you hadn't seen it before. The different gradations of color, the different gradations of green if it's in the summer, the different gradations of red, orange, brown if it's in the fall. What can you notice today that you hadn't noticed? That is a mindfulness practice in and of itself. Number 3, re-entry to your home in the evening. I had a mindfulness participant that taught me this lesson. He said he did his mindfulness practice every day when he got home. He would continue sitting in his car, the car was off, and he would do whatever audio or video practice was available to him that day from the mobile app. And he would do it in his car, and he would be relaxed before he would get out of his car, open the door to his home, and shift gears. He felt like that allowed him to be so much more present with his family, with himself, with his life. So I invite you today to take one of those 3 options to start or end your day with mindfulness. Thank you.